And as that low slides in, big cold pocket slides in, the energy from the low itself is just going to increase our chances for some lift and some more wind shear and opportunities for some storms. So a thread that lasts through the day.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Hamilton County, Ohio. The child was last seen at 1951 Sterling Avenue, North College Hill, Ohio. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2009 black Saturn Vue 4-door with Ohio license plate number JVU 5960. The suspect has been identified as Lucy Bullock, a 22-year-old black female, 5 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 135 pounds with brown hair. The abducted child is a Brandon Rozier, a 2-year-old black male with black hair, last seen wearing black clothing. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.
Come to TurboTax and don't do your taxes. Meet with an expert who will do them for you, so you